This comes from Martin Fernandez, also known as Osmond Francis. He's based in London, incredibly passionate music lover, very good producer, and he recently launched this new project, and the track that I'm going to share today actually is been released quite recently. I tested out this track in a couple of sets, especially my experimental sets. The answer, I would say, the way, you know, it engaged people on the dance floor was very good, so I thought to share it again here during our show for those of you who don't know this artist and haven't heard or had the opportunity to listen to this track. So enjoy it. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. This is Allie Sherlock, How Love Works, Osmond Francis drum and bass remix. Enjoy! What an amazing track. What an amazing track. Well done, Martin. Well done, Martin. I've been on Martin for quite a while, and there is like, yeah, as a bottom line, a never-ending passion for music, especially jungle. I'm going to actually share a link to his Bandcamp so you can find out more about his current and future projects. He already released also additional tracks, and if you are into jungle and you know you're into like some fresh tunes, I would definitely encourage you to go and have a look at what's boiling, because it's definitely worth it.